Welcome, kids! Today we are learning ABC fruits.
A is for apple. B is for banana.
B is for banana.
C is for cherry.
Look at all the cherries. Let's pick some for the basket. Yay, cherries!
D is for dragon fruit.
Wow, look at these. D is so pink and spiky.
E is for elderberry. F is for fig.
Wow, look at all the figs. So many figs.
G is for grapes.
H is for honeydew. I is for ice apple.
J is for jackfruit. K is for kiwi.
L is for lemon.
M is for mango. N is for nectarine. Let's pick some more. Yay, so juicy.
O is for orange.
Wow, look at that pineapple. It's so big and yellow.
P is for pineapple.
Wow, Luno, what are these golden fruits? They look like quinces, Tria.
Q is for quince.
R is for raspberry. S is for strawberry.
Yummy and juicy.
Let's pick strawberries.
This is the best day ever.
T is for tangerine. U is for ugly fruit.
Wow, look at those bumpy fruits. They're called ugly fruits. Wow, Luno, look. The vanilla plant is growing.
Yes, Tria, the pods are getting bigger.
W is for watermelon.
W is for watermelon. Yeah, watermelon.
X is for shigua. Y is for yellow passion fruit.
Yay, look at them all growing. So many yummy yellow fruits. Z is for zucchini. Wow, it's growing so fast. Let's pick some more. So many zucchinis.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share for more ABC adventures.